Alright, as y'all see, this is the starter. I gotta wait for the owner to come back with the new starter. They went to the store to go get it. So, as they say, I'm gonna be sitting for a minute until they get back. Well, he get back with the part. But I'm showing y'all part of the procedure, what you're gonna have to do when you gotta mess with these Chrysler 300s. This is a 2006. As y'all can see, the sway bar is loosened. You have to take it loose right up in here in them two bolts right there to loosen that so you can pull it back. So let me put my light on. Give me a sec so I can go under. And like I said, you had to take the stern shaft off and push it off to the side that way. I was trying to get it to drop completely down, but it don't want to clear this sway bar, and I ain't gonna keep fighting it. You gotta drop your rack of pinion on this side. See, that's loose. And this hose, this line, you gotta take this loose so you'll be able to have clearance up in this area, because the starter sits up in that area and it sits right over top of the line. So when you get the starter bolt, well, unbolted and trying to get it out, you're gonna have to pull down on this line. So that's why you gotta loosen this bolt so you can kind of pull down on the line a little bit to give you some clearance to drop, for the starter to drop down some. But you also got to make sure that those lines, them, I can't even zoom it. Okay, there you go. Come on, light, get back on. Buzz on. Why my light so low? Alright, so those lines, that one right there to the left, that's your power line, and the one with the connector is your remote line. Those lines are the ones that you got to get off before you can drop the daggone starter down, or it's not going to drop down for you. I'm telling you, I was fighting it before I just went on and just took them loose. It's hell, but you can do it. And you got to do the same thing whenever you're putting it back up in there, because it's going to be hell getting it back up in there too. Got to come back from this angle underneath the car. So y'all can see that's all that's going on. Alright, that's enough talk. I'm just showing y'all what y'all gonna have to go through and do. Alright.